Welcome to another episode of The Green Life with your boy TPG. Rocking this sweet mustache. And I haven't been to this garden in 4 months because I'm building my own garden, which you guys will see in a little bit. So I don't know what's happening here, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. No tomatoes, no tomatoes, no tomatoes, no tomatoes, no tomato. Oh, hello, old friend. There it is, folks. Plot 85, staying alive. The purple bays. Purple bays remains. Look at that. It's even green now. It's still. And the green bays remains. Wow. Thai bays. Amazing. Check out the other plot. Yikes, look at those peppers. Yikes. This green bays keeps going. Somebody pulled up all my stuff, which basically means that I messed up by not doing that. That's not me, I'm a bad gardener. You can judge me in the comments if you want, but here it is. Nomio's still there. Dino's still there. We're gonna go ahead and take Dino. We're gonna go ahead and take Nomio. All right. I mean, I probably could pull up all that and make some pesto. Thank you guys for sticking with me through this chapter of The Green Life, okay? Community garden chapter, a pretty good chapter. Great chapter, all right? Learned a lot. Wow! Look at this growth! Thank you guys for watching this major saga, this chapter of The Green Life, the community garden chapter. Could be a community garden again, could not be, I don't know. But it means a lot that you guys stuck with me when the garden wasn't in my own compound. And here we are, making new friends, growing that Green Life community. So you already know, keep exploring, keep gardening, stay planted, get pumped. Let's go.
Welcome to the Green Life.